This video is about the circle of fourths. A copy of this document right here is on Google Classroom that you can look at. The circle of fourths takes all of the notes of the chromatic scale and puts them in order of fourths. So from the note C to the note F is a fourth. So if you go C, D, E, F, 1, 2, 3, 4, that's a fourth. If you go from F to B flat, you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. That's another fourth. B flat to E flat is another fourth. Now, as you're going clockwise around the circle of fourths, C has 0 sharps and 0 flats. The key of F, the F scale, has 1 flat. That 1 flat is going to be B, because the order of flats, B, E, A, D, G, C, F, if you have 1 flat, it's going to be B. So the scale, the F scale, you're going to go F to F, but you're going to change the B to B flat. The B flat scale has 2 flats, so you're going to have B flat and E flat. The E flat scale has 3 flats. You're going to have B flat, E flat, and A flat. And you continue all the way around. When you get here to these enharmonic tones, C sharp and D flat, remember that's the same note. So if you're thinking about flats and D flat, you have 5 flats. B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat, and G flat. Or if you're thinking about C sharp, you have 7 sharps. F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, D sharp, A sharp, E sharp, and B sharp. Same thing here, F sharp, G flat. In harmonic tones, it's the same note. 6 sharps for F sharp or 6 flats for G flat. 5 sharps for B or 7 flats for C flat. The key of E is another fourth. So from B to E, we're still going in fourths. Here's B, C, D, E. 1, 2, 3, 4. Still a fourth. The key of E, the E scale, has 4 sharps. F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, and D sharp. The A scale has 3 sharps. The D scale has 2 sharps, and the G scale has 1 sharp. And then a fourth from G takes us back to C. So here's G, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it makes a complete circle, and it works out so that you start and end on C. So let's go over here to this chart over here. I've written out all of the letters to all of the scales, but I have not put in the sharps and flats. So let's do that now. C to C has 0 sharps and 0 flats. So that's just the C scale written out already. The F scale has 1 flat. So from F to F, 1 of every letter. 1 flat, if it's 1 flat, it's got to be B flat. So there's the F scale. The B flat scale has 2 flats, B flat and E flat. You have to end on B flat also. The E flat scale is going to have 3 flats, B flat, E flat, and A flat. So here's E flat, B flat, E flat, and A flat. The A flat scale has 4 flats, B flat, E flat, A flat, and D flat. The D flat scale has 5 flats, B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat, and G flat. Oops. The G flat scale has, where are we? 6 flats. So you could put the 6 flats here. B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat, G flat, and C flat. So when we're here at B, we have 5 sharps. So the order of sharps, we're going to have 5 of these. F sharp, C sharp, G, D, and A sharp. So we're going to add the sharps in. So there's our B scale. Our E scale is going to have 4 sharps. F, C, G, and D. A scale is going to have 3 sharps, F, C, and G. The D scale is going to have 2 sharps, F sharp and C sharp. The G scale is going to have 1 sharp, F sharp, and then we're back to the C scale that has no sharps and no flats. Now, looking at our key signatures here, if we have no flats and no sharps in the key signature, what key is this going to be? If you said C, then you would be correct. If you have 1 sharp in your key signature, what key will it be? Using your circle of fourths, 1 sharp is going to be the key of G. If you have 2 sharps in your key signature, you're going to be in the key of D. If you have 3 sharps in your key signature, A, key of A major. If you have 4 sharps, we're going to be in the key of E. If we have 5 sharps, we're going to be in the key of B. If we have 6 sharps, down here on the circle of fourths, you're going to be at the key of F sharp major. And if you have all 7 sharps in your key signature, you're going to be in the key of C sharp major. Looking at the flat keys down here at the bottom, if you have 1 flat in your key signature, it's going to be the key of F. If you have 2 flats in your key signature, it's going to be the key of B flat. If you have 3 flats, we're going to be the key of E flat. 4 flats is going to be the key of A flat. 5 flats is going to be the key of D flat. 6 flats is going to be the key of G flat. And all 7 flats is going to be the key of C flat major.